Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Dropbox Sign to streamline contract turnaround time. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Dropbox Sign, start by logging into your Dropbox account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page of your dashboard. Look for the Apps section on the left sidebar. Click on Apps to display all available applications. In the search bar, type in Dropbox Sign. Select Dropbox Sign from the list of applications. You will be redirected to the Dropbox Sign setup page. Here, you'll see an option to start your free trial or link your existing account if you already have one. If you're starting a new account, click on the free trial option. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once your Dropbox Sign account is set up, return to your Dropbox dashboard. Locate the Files section on the left sidebar. Open the folder where you want to store your signed documents. Now, go back to the Dropbox Sign interface. Look for the Create Document button and click on it. Choose the document you want to send for signing. Upload the document from your computer or select one already stored in Dropbox. After uploading, make any necessary adjustments to the document. Now, add the signer's email addresses. You can also customize the message that will accompany the document. Once you've entered all information, click on the Send for Signature button. Your document is now sent for signing. To track the status of the document, return to the Dropbox Sign dashboard. Here, you can view all your sent documents and their signing status. When the document is signed, you will receive a notification. Finally, retrieve the signed document from your Dropbox account. This streamlined process will significantly reduce your contract turnaround time. You are now ready to efficiently manage your signing process with Dropbox Sign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.